Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics. Today, we're going to talk about a really cool phenomenon that makes you sound like a race car driver or a police siren. Yes, you guessed it right. We're going to talk about the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is a scientific principle that explains why sounds can change pitch when they are moving towards or away from us. This effect was first discovered by Christian Doppler, an Austrian physicist, who observed that the pitch of a train whistle changed as the train passed by him. Now let's imagine that you're standing on the side of a road and a car is driving towards you with its horn blaring. As the car approaches you, the sound waves it produces are compressed, making the pitch of the horn sound higher. This is because the waves are arriving at your ears more frequently than they would if the car were stationary. On the other hand, as the car passes you and drives away, the sound waves are stretched out, making the pitch of the horn sound lower. This is because the waves are arriving at your ears less frequently than they would if the car were stationary. So why does this happen? Well, it's all to do with the relative motion between the sound source and the observer. When the sound source is moving towards the observer, the distance between the sound waves is reduced, causing the frequency of the sound to increase. Conversely, when the sound source is moving away from the observer, the distance between the sound waves is increased, causing the frequency of the sound to decrease. To illustrate this further, let's say you're at a party and someone with a really high-pitched voice is singing karaoke. If they start walking towards you while singing, their voice will sound even higher, and you might have to cover your ears. But as they walk away from you, their voice will start to sound lower and more bearable. This effect isn't just limited to sound waves, it also applies to other types of waves, such as light waves. That's why astronomers use the Doppler effect to measure the movement of stars and galaxies. In conclusion, the Doppler effect is a really cool concept that explains why sounds change pitch when they are moving towards or away from us. So the next time you hear a police siren or a race car whizzing by, you'll know it's all thanks to the Doppler effect.